Imagine a field anywhere in the world. A field stretching as far as your eyes can see. It's a breathtaking and quiet place, not creating any nuisance to the surroundings. The wonderful thing about this field is that once we have sown it, you can harvest it every day, all year round. The field is not covered by ears of corn, but by highly effective solar thermal collectors in a large-scale installation, making incomparable use of every inch of soil. The source has been around for more than 4.5 billion years. It is the sun. The solar collectors absorb every ray of daylight, making the most of those rays as completely CO2-free energy for heating and hot water. It's even possible to store the energy in large quantities under the ground for later use. It may sound like a vision for the distant future, but it's all happening right now, somewhere on our planet. Solar thermal energy offers a well-known technology, tested for ages, and large-scale solutions are by far the most efficient way to produce leaner as well as cleaner heating and hot water at an eternally fixed price. A modern solar thermal installation consists of a field of collectors. This is where the energy is absorbed from the sun. Equally important is the fact that it is possible to store the heat from day to night, and even from summer to winter. And it is possible to transport the heat over a distance of several kilometers. This means that the solar thermal plant doesn't need to be located right next to, for example, district heating plants or domestic areas. The highly specialized company behind this is Arcon Sunmark. We are the world's leading specialist for solar thermal systems. Since 1974, we have accumulated extensive experience, and we are responsible for 80% of the largest solar heating installations in Europe. We take care of everything: calculation of benefits, total project planning, financing, construction and installation, and close monitoring of operations. The country of origin? Denmark. A country that's way ahead in the development of cost-effective and sustainable energy solutions, driven by a group of highly skilled specialists present on different continents, all aiming at the same target: to lead the way to solar thermal heating, making the future cleaner, and to gain independence from traditional energy suppliers. We are experts in the use of solar energy for heating and hot water, especially in combination with district heating, and we have established the largest and most efficient systems in the world. One of our most impressive accomplishments so far is the district heating facility near the city of Vojens. Placed outside the city limits and covering a piece of land equal to more than 10 football fields, this facility supplies about 50% of the heating plant's total production. This reduces the customer's heating bills by 10 to 15%. Besides solar installations for district heating, we have been a frontrunner in using solar thermal heating for process heating, used for instance in copper mines. This is a copper mine in Chile. To derive the metal from ore, there is an excessive demand for hot water, but hot water is difficult and expensive to come by when situated far from public services. We were asked to sow an area the size of 6 football fields of solar collectors. In other words, we have built the largest installation for process heat in the world. An installation which saves 6,500 tons of diesel fuel every year. And this is what Arcon Sunmark is all about: saving money and saving the resources of the planet. This is our mission. We are on our toes to supply the world's best source of heating by efficiently harvesting the sun and letting the light from a brighter future in. This is us, Arcon Sunmark.